Your account cannot be used in this location, Netflix. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can solve if Netflix says that your account cannot be used in this location. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you didn't create your account directly with Netflix or bought or received your account from an unauthorized retailer, you'll need to sign up for a new account in the same country where you will use it, because sometimes you might have bought a subscription from someone else who has a family plan or something. And to see which payments options are available, you can open up Netflix. This is one of the ways to fix it. The other way you can do it is by simply using a VPN. So depending upon which country the account belongs to, you can just try to connect to that country or the city. Here you can use premium VPN, you can use free VPN, and just try your luck. Otherwise, it could only be because you have been traveling and your membership is part of the package, and now since you have moved your location and your plan is currently not working, so that you might actually want to switch. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.